Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday the 16th of April with me, Rich Paramarket Analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at cable, which has again broken up to the upside. Seems as though Friday's candle, I talked in the morning report about how a little bit concerning Friday's candle was sort of about 40-50 pips back from the low, back from the high of the day. Bit of a disappointing close, you could argue, and turning into the European session, it looked as though the cable was sort of consolidating, possibly even set up for a little bit of a corrective move. Had that initially, but the bulls have just come back strong again. We're sort of posting seemingly what would be another positive close at the moment. Certainly 60 points up on the day. You'd think that is going to happen. For an 8th consecutive day of gains, you're sort of well clear of that resistance now. 42.45. You're opening 43.45 as that key January high. That is the highest level since Brexit. Zoom out, back in. There's Brexit day. The market is well back now. That would be a breakout above 43.45. I mean, what's the resistance then? You'd look at, well, the high of Brexit was just above 50 figure, so there is no real resistance. I suppose you could argue 46.45, which again is another sort of minor level of resistance. Is that high there? But yeah, nothing really. So the market just continues to make ground again to the upside, and it certainly looks as though there is a further move and recovery to be seen. So a breakout above 143.45 would be key. But look at here already. That's the closing high, 42.65. That's the closing high of 2018. So 143 figure. We are not a million miles away, certainly from a closing 2018 high, but also a closing multi-year high again, but dating back to Brexit. So this is a key move that we're seeing on cable today. Momentum-wise, very strong. RSI mid-60s, high 60s, pulling higher. Stochastics and MACD lines accelerating. So it certainly still seems to be that little corrective moves are being bought into. You've got this uptrend channel on the hourly chart. Gives you an underlying support at 42.35 today as the reaction low. 42.25 was, I think, Friday, the early morning low, I should say. So the market is continuing to make gains, isn't it? And pushing on higher. Strong configuration. Correction is being bought into. So it's looking positive. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.